everyone. Today I am going to discuss Lorentz-Fitzgerald length contraction. Length contraction means, according to the Lorentz, first time he proposed that the length of a moving object which is moving with the velocity comparable to the velocity of light, which is moving comparable to the velocity of light. So the length of the moving object, will not remain constant. According to the observer, will not remain constant, but it decreased according to the relative motion. Means, let us suppose there are two frames S and S dash. There are two frames S and S dash. There is the observer O and O dash, and the axis of both frames x-axis lies in the same direction, and these are the Y dash, and this is Y, this is Z, this is Z dash. So let us suppose the rod is placed parallel to the x-axis. The rod is placed parallel to the x-axis. So the length of the rod according to the observer, the end point of the rod is x2 and x1 dash. According to L0 will be the x1, it will be x2. So according to O dash, it will be x2 dash minus x1 dash. And according to O, it will be x. So L0 is equal to x2 dash minus x1 dash, and L is equal to x2 minus x1. So what is the length contraction? According to the Lorentz-Fitzgerald, the length of the moving body does not remain constant, but it decreases its length according to the relative motion. So what it means, which I am going to explain, the derivation of this length contraction. Let us suppose there are the two frames S and S dash. S dash is moving with constant velocity v. There are the two observers O and O dash. There are the two observers O and O dash. A rod is placed parallel to the x-axis. So what is the length of rod according to the observer O dash? This is the length. According to me, the length is this and this minus this coordinate. So it will be x2 dash minus x1 dash. This is L0. What is the L0? L0 is called the proper length. What is the proper length? Proper length is the length measured by the observer who is in rest with respect to the rod. Who is in rest with respect to the rod? O or O dash? O dash is in rest. So S dash frame is moving. O dash is placed in the S dash frame. So according to the O dash, the coordinate of the rod is x2 dash minus x1 dash, and it is equal to the proper length L0. And according to the observer O, the length of the rod is x2 minus x1, and according to the observer O, and according to O dash, L dash is equal to x2 dash minus x1 dash. Okay. Now from the Lorentz-Fitzgerald contraction, we know x dash is equal to x minus vt upon under root 1 minus v upon c square. From the Lorentz-Fitzgerald, from the Lorentz transformation, we know the relation between the x dash and x. So we will put it here. So what is the L naught? It will be the L naught. L naught will be x2 dash minus x1 dash. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Okay. Now put the value of x2 dash. It will be x2 minus Vt minus x1 minus Vt L naught is equal to x2 minus Vt minus x1 minus Vt. Now solve it. L naught is equal to x2 minus x1 upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. L naught is equal to L upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. And what will we get? We get L, x2 minus x1 is the L, so we put L here. So L is equal to L naught L is contraction in length. L naught is proper length. So what is the definition of length contraction and what is the definition of proper length? The definition of length contraction, according to Lorentz Fitzgerald, when an object moves with the velocity v, this object is placed in the frame S dash and the S dash is moving with velocity v, it means this rod is also moving with the velocity v. So when an object moving with velocity v and the v is comparable to the c, this v is comparable to the c. Then relative to an stationary observer means O dash is the stationary observer with respect to the rod and O is the moving observer, but it is stationary. It is a stationary observer and moving with respect to the rod. Okay? So according to the stationary observer, सिर्फ हमने stationary observer लिखा है, not with respect to the rod. So according to the stationary observer, who is the stationary observer? O. According to the stationary observer, it's measured. According to the stationary observer, it's measured. Length appeared to be contracted. Length appeared means L naught is the proper length. L is the length measured by the observer O. Length appear to be contracted in direction of its motion by a factor of under root 1 minus v square upon c square, whereas its other direction means this and its thickness, it's remain unchanged. Why? Because these directions are perpendicular to the motion. So the direction, the dimension which is in the direction of motion get contracted. So don't confuse with the stationary observer. The stationary observer with respect to the rod. If the stationary observer with respect to the rod measured the length, it is called the proper length and it's remain unchanged. The length measured by the observer who is in at rest, the length, proper length definition, proper length, the length measured by an observer, who is at rest the length measured by an observer who is at rest the length measured by an observer who is at rest with respect to rod is called proper length. if, and that is called the L naught. And what is the contracted length? The length measured by the stationary observer. पूरे सिस्टम में जो स्टेशनरी ऑब्जर्वर है, और यू कैन से द लेंथ मेजर बाय द ऑब्जर्वर हु इज इन मोशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द रॉड. हु इज इन मोशन, ये मोशन में, अगर रॉड ऐसे आगे की तरफ जा रही है तो दैट ऑब्जर्वर इज इन मोशन, उसको ये मोशन में लगेगा. आप अगर गाड़ी में बैठ के आगे जा रहे हो तो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें पीछे की ओर जाते हुए दिखाई देती हैं. तो इसी तरीके से इफ दिस रॉड इज मूविंग इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन देन इट इज्यूम दैट दिस ऑब्जर्वर हु इज इन एक्चुअली इन रेस्ट अपीयर्स एज अ according to him it is in a motion. So according to this observer O, the length of the rod is decreased by a factor. The length L now will be L naught under root 1 minus V square. So this factor is less than 1. So if we multiply it with the L naught, the length L naught will be decreased with this factor will be decreased by L naught. So the length L is decreased by a factor under root 1 minus V square upon C square. Now let us suppose there are some cases. Let us suppose V is equal to C. So it will be 0. So length will be 0. It means if the object is moving with the velocity of light c, then it appears as a point. It appears as a point. It's not a length. It appears like a point. So these are the length contraction. So there are the two important things. First is the definition of proper length, and what do you mean by the length contraction. So don't confuse with the O and O dash. According to O dash, because it is in rest with respect to the rod, the length of the rod is constant. It will be called the proper length. If there is observer O is in motion with respect to the S dash frame, but actually this is at rest. So according to the observer O, the length will be contracted by a factor under root 1 minus V square upon C square, and it is called length contraction. Okay, thank you.